Hello, welcome to this channel where we talk about child-related issues. Please remember to comment in the comment section below, subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. My name is Halima Andieri, and today I want to talk about why teenagers rebel. Rebellion is defined as the act of resisting authority, while a teenager is a person aged between 13 to 19 years. Rebellion in teenagers is natural. It occurs when the teenager feels all grown up and wants to make his or her own independent decisions, while you, as the caring and loving parent, still imposes your authority and feelings on him or her. So in the end, the teenager feels oppressed and suppressed, and he or she will start rebelling. So just understand that it's part of their development process. What really makes these teenagers to rebel? 1. Misunderstanding of parents. Teenagers feel like parents are not tolerant to them. They feel ignored and they feel lonely. They feel like there is no rapport between them and their parents. And as a result, they tend to rebel and seek happiness from their friends. 2. Attention. Teenagers are hungry for attention. They want to be noticed and they'd do anything to seek attention. The attention they desire may be there, but the teen is unable to see it. So they hang around people they feel will listen to them, care for them, and provide them with all the answers they need. They turn into rebels, and many a times these people end up misguiding them and misleading them because they do not have genuine love to offer them. And it can be worse if the teens hang around people who do immoral things, because they'll start doing the same things, since to them they will feel like they have found genuine love. Freedom. Teenagers expect more freedom and independence from their parents. When parents confuse this freedom with rebellion, then the teenager's reaction will definitely cause rebellion. For example, when your 17-year-old son or daughter requests for permission to attend their friend's birthday party at 5 p.m., and you flatly refuse, how do you think they are going to react? They will definitely sneak out and go for that party. So their reaction, brings about the rebellion, which in this case is sneaking. 4. Identity. Teenagers are struggling to find their identity, existence, and individuality. And when parents pay no attention to their questions, they rebel and want to make decisions for themselves. 5. Control. Teenagers want to have control over their lives. They want to have control over what to wear, what to eat, who to meet, and the list is endless. Many a times they rebel when we cannot trust their decision-making abilities. 6. Peer pressure. Teenagers want to adopt the lifestyle of their peers and they want to be like them. They feel the pressure of doing what everybody else is doing. In the end, they lose their individuality and become somebody else. Those are some of the reasons as to why teenagers rebel. Understand why your teen is rebelling, and then guide him or her to see the reality. Don't lose your cool, but act calmly. Depending on the age, allow for some freedom. And remember that this stage will not last forever. It's only there for a season. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.